Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit and withdraw Naira on Luno. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser, type in luno.com and get into the official website. Now from over here, so tap on this option of a wallet. Right, once you've accessed the wallet, now you can tap on your Naira right over here. Once you have done that, it will simply ask you this option. You can see deposit and withdraw. You're going to tap on this option of deposit for now. And now the way for you to simply deposit on your Naira is simply by creating yourself a voucher. Now tap on next. And now simply go ahead add in the amount of voucher you want to create. And then tap on next right over here. Then go ahead choose amount. You can see amount, fee, and total is going to show up. Tap on continue to pay. Then add in your card number and valid tell your CVV and the details right over here, and tap on pay. Now you simply have to enter your 4-digit card pin, and now it will simply send you the code to your mail or the number that you have connected with your account. Simply go ahead check out your mail. Once you get the code, simply come over here and paste it. Once you're done with that, you have simply created yourself a voucher. Now you will receive the voucher detail on your email as well. Now go ahead, check that out and enter the voucher number that you have received, your voucher PIN, your expiry month and expiry year. Now once you're done with that, it will simply again send you a 6-digit code. Simply go ahead, paste it up. And then once you're done that, you can see we received a deposit. So now let's go ahead, go to the withdrawal process. Again, tap on this option of wallets on top. And now from over here, choose your Naira and then choose the option of withdraw. Now once you tap on it, you simply have to choose your Bitcoin of which you would like to withdraw, right? Simply, so we have chosen one of the crypto, which is Bitcoin right over here. We're going to tap on sale now. And now from over here, we're going to choose the currency you want to sell for our Naira wallet. And now we're going to choose our currency and add in the amount worth we want to sell. Tap on next then. And now again, it's going to show you the whole preview. But I'm going to tap on continue in the bottom and we will put this Bitcoin for the sale. And we're gonna, as we have chosen our Naira as the account, the sale money will be deposited there. Now we're gonna go back and again go to our wallets, tap on Naira and tap on withdraw. Now once we have collected money from the crypto sale, we're gonna choose our currency to now Naira and add in the amount and tap on next. And now we're gonna again confirm our voucher amount. And then we're gonna wait till our voucher is created. And then once it's done, tap on redeem now. Add new bank detail if you want, and then once you do that, simply add the new bank details right over here and account number. Tap on submit, then choose the account that just pops up and then add new voucher number. Tap on redeem voucher, and there you go, you have redeemed your voucher for the so that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.